name Iroko, and I'll be showing you how to run a vulnerability scan using OWASP ZAP, um, which is a free security tool from the open worldwide from the open worldwide application security project, or OWASP for short. Okay, so what is ZAP? ZAP is basically also called Zed Attack Proxy, and it is an open source vulnerability scanner for web applications. It automatically looks for common 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 issues like SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and broken authentication. So this is what the application looks like. So to run a scan, you open your Zap, and once you open it, you come to this. It prompts you to either do an automated scan or do a manual scan. So for the purpose of this video, we'll be doing an automated scan, and we'll be using a demo web application for the purpose of this video. But I would just like to sound to for you, I would like to say this for you to take a note of it, that you don't just run a vulnerability scan on any website you can lay hands on. Make sure you either own the URL or the web application, or you have authorization to use that to do a vulnerability scan on that URL. And even when you have authorization, there are limits to the things you can do within the confines of the of your agreement with your employer or whoever employs you to do the vulnerability scan. So basically this is what it looks like. You enter the URL here and you click on the attack button. So once you click on the attack button, it automatically starts the vulnerability test uh, first running a first running a spider, which is basically opening every available URL on the web application. So it would analyze them and run a vulnerability scan on them. Then once it does that, it would get the various vulnerabilities on the every possible vulnerability it can find on the web application. So basically this is what it looks like. So it would scan until it gets to 100, and from here you can see the alerts of the vulnerabilities that has been noticed on the web application. Yep. So we have different risk levels. We have different priority levels for the vulnerabilities that can be seen on the web application. So we have the red flag for high priority level, we have the orange flag for the medium priority level, we have the yellow flag for the low priority level, and we have the blue flag for the informative priority level. So basically this is what it looks like. And once the scan is done, it would automatically um, it would stop, and it would show you the process. So from these alerts you can click double click on it and get a more detailed information about the assessments, or the vulnerability alerts that is the vulnerability alert on the web URL. So you get the vulnerability name here. You have the risk level and the confidence level, which is both high for this PII disclosure. PII disclosure is definitely it's just it basically means the personally identifiable information, which includes your name, your address, your social security number, your bank identification number. So things like this uh, can easily be exploited based on the vulnerability this web application has. So it's we get description here. The description of the vulnerability is here, which is the response contains personally identifiable information such as CC number, SSN, and similar sensitive data. Also, we have the other infos about the application, the web application, and we have this possible solution, the solution which is basically the possible fix that can be done to the web application. So you can just check through the whole vulnerability. You have a long range of vulnerabilities that will be discovered there, and once you are done you can generate your your vulnerability assessment report here, and by clicking this button, let me close this, and once you click this button you get a pop-up like this, and you can tweak it, you can change the name, you can change the directory you want to save it on, and generate your report. So once you click on generate report, it automatically generates the report for you in HTML format, but you can print it out in PDF format depending on whatever you are interested in. So basically, that's how to run um, a vulnerability scan on Zap Proxy. So thank you for. I really appreciate you watching. I'm hoping to see you the next time. Thank you. Have a lovely day.